Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video. As a PC gamer, your keyboard is always one of the most important weapons in your arsenal. You must be more conscious when it comes to choosing your keyboard. A keyboard is more than a mere typing tool. If you really care about PC gaming, your keyboard needs to be customized and have an interactive interface. Whether you're deep into your final draft or strafing left and right in Valorant, a good keyboard can make or break your desktop experience. It's the thing you're touching the most out of your whole setup, and consequently the thing you'll clean the most. Here, we've rounded up the best keyboards to help you find the one that best fits you. Number 1. The best of the best. Logitech G915. Starting off with a premium choice is Logitech's new G915 wireless keyboard. Like many gaming keyboards, the G915 sacrifices the numeral keys on the right side to maximize your space. What it sacrifices there, the excellent G915 makes up of top-notch performance, slim design, and enviously convenient metal volume wheel, and dedicated rubber media playback buttons. Using Logitech's G-Hub, you can customize the light display of the keyboard to your liking. For a mechanical tactile keyboard, the G915 is unbelievably light and portable. Not that you should be going anywhere in a pandemic, but if you must, take comfort knowing you've got a hefty 40 hours of battery life on a single charge. The keyboard also comes with Logitech's Lightspeed functionality, minimizing input report rate down to a speedy 1 millisecond. For gamers where timing is everything, the G915 simply can't be ignored. Number 2. HyperX Alloy Elite. Simplicity meets outstanding quality and reliability in HyperX Alloy Elite. Behind its minimalistic aesthetic are a number of impressive features you'd want to see in a quality gaming keyboard. You can choose from Cherry MX Brown, Blue, or Red switches. It also comes with dedicated media controls, detachable wrist rest, a red backlight, and a USB pass-through. For an elevated look, the package includes an extra silver keycap for the WASD and the first 4 number keys. Number 3. Razer Huntsman Elite. Razer has taken speed to a whole new level with the Huntsman Elite, thanks to its optomechanical switches. With this beast of a keyboard, Razer has successfully integrated optical sensors with mechanical switches, upping the ante of keyboard actuation. It's easily one of the fastest keyboards in 2018. Sure, it costs quite a fortune, but with its impressive tactility, gorgeous RGB backlighting, and competitive other features, it's worth every penny. Number 4. Razer Synosa Chroma. Razer Synosa Chroma is an attractive membrane keyboard at an affordable price point. This little guy supports customizable macro configurations and RGB lighting that can sync to your games or even your Philips smart home lights. Cheaper than most premium keyboards, Razer Synosa Chroma does exactly what you need it to, and it does it with style. Number 5. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. The K95 Platinum has quite a footprint, so a little bit of desk cleaning is necessary to nest it comfortably in your setup. Not a total downer though. At an impressive price, it has quite the features too. USB pass-through and media controls, RGB lighting, a metal volume wheel, and an extra set of WASD keycaps. The best thing about it though is its detachable wrist rest. It's a magnetic rubber wrist pad with 2 sides that lets you pick the texture that suits your style. Number 6. Corsair K63 Wireless. Countless gaming mice have dominated the market over the last few years. Their keyboard counterpart? Not so much. Until now. As suggested by its name, this is a wireless version of the Corsair K63 with not much trade-off. boasting gorgeous cherry MX red switches, media controls, and full RGB light. The K63 Wireless proves wireless gaming keyboards are worthy of consideration. Number 7. Red Dragon K552N Kumara. The cheapest keyboard on our list is also one of the most functional. If you're on a budget and would like to stretch your money beyond just a gaming keyboard, go for the Red Dragon K552N Kumara, which also makes a great keyboard for regular typing with its superb keystroke accuracy. Also, regardless of what kind of setup you have, it won't take up too much space on your desk because of its compact size. Be warned though that it's not the quietest keyboard on the block, but for its price point and everything else it offers, it certainly deserves a spot on our list. Number 8. SteelSeries Apex M750. If you'll be using it for mostly gaming and not much for anything else, the SteelSeries Apex M750 RGB is a sweet pick. You'll be getting fantastic key customization software and dazzling RGB lighting on top of its tactile feel. It's robust and durable too. It's pretty loud for tasks other than gaming. Number 9. Red Dragon K580 Vata. The keyboard features 5 programmable macro keys, G1 to G5, which can be used to record macros on the fly without the need for additional softwares to be installed. You can easily edit and DIY your stylish keyboard. The multimedia controls on the keyboard let you play, pause, and skip the music without interfering with your game. This device has a volume or backlight adjustment wheel, making volume and backlight adjustments very easy. Number 10. PicTech RGB. With 7 backlight modes, this USB keyboard offers you to customize the backlight color for an immersive gaming experience. The characters and inter-character gap are both illuminated by these backlights and help you perform seamlessly during nighttime. In order to maximize the entertainment or facilitate the operation of your gaming, there are 8 different multimedia keys to offer more convenience. Additionally, the 12 shortcut keys will help increase your efficiency and enhance your overall user experience during your work or daily use. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to our channel.